You guys, you're watching TV8 Summit Sunrise, hanging out with Kristy Lee from KL Creative Design. And first of all, let's just tell everybody what KL Creative Design is.
So KL Creative is a full-service web development group. We build small business websites, mobile apps.
Okay, now currently, Kristy Lee is working on our website here at TV8 Summit. We'll be able to debut that for you here soon, but you should go check it out just to compare, because it's not what we want right now, but it's great to know the different options that we do have. Now, something that we are kind of setting up with you is going to be our ability to update our videos and our content on a daily basis. And so, why do you feel like it's important for people to be able to edit their own websites?
Right. Well, there's a couple of reasons, and the main one is that Google values websites that have fresh content, that are up to date, and they value them higher than just static websites. So it's super important that you are constantly keeping your website current, adding, sales, deals. For this weekend, I was trying to find, look up about 2-for-1s, and I couldn't find a single website that advertised whether or not, yes, we do have them, yes, we don't. No, we don't have them.
Interesting.
Because none of the websites are up to date. People want to see that kind of stuff. They want to know what's going on, and that's the best way to do it. Instead of calling your web developer every week, you can do it yourself. Right.
So when you sit down with people to help them create the website that they want, you can actually set that up for them.
Right. We'll build it usually we build it in WordPress, and WordPress is a open source software that will allow you to edit your own different sections. You're not editing the whole website, but you can change photos, you can, update galleries, you can add new pages, and you can, add different facets of the website. You can change the text usually.
Right. For us, we're going to be updating our Summit Sunrise videos and also, the things with our shows. But really nice to know that you can take kind of control of it. You build kind of the framework, and then we get to kind of decorate it, if you will.
Right. And we'll set it up for you initially the first time, as well as train you on it and train you how to use it and give you documentation how to use it, so you're not out on your own, just figuring it out.
That's amazing. And you guys you're a local company, so it's not that you have to go down to the Front Range to get this kind of service. I mean, you live right around here.
Right.
And so for people that are interested in, maybe they don't even have a website, maybe they'd like to do something like that, how do you get started? What's the first step?
So usually we will sit down with somebody and discuss their project or discuss their business, and then kind of work up a plan about what we think, based on what you want to do and what we think you can do, how we can improve things that you already have. We'll do a project consultation and just discuss what's going to work for you.
And so do you have to, how does that work? Do you have to pay up front or?
Right. We do a free project consultation. So just to get you started, you can sit down with us for 30 minutes and we'll discuss your project and go from there.
That's amazing. So did you guys hear that? Free project consultation. So that's great. If you've been thinking about it for a little while, or you're just kind of like, I want to tweak this or that, you can sit down and chat about it first before you have to, decide to pay for anything. But something that we did discover with this whole process is it's a lot more affordable than you might think that it is. And then there's a lot of different options too. Like maybe people have a website and they're like, I love my website, but, maybe I want a mobile website. So you guys can do that as well.
We do that as well, yes. And a lot of people, they don't quite know how to use their website and how to make their website work for them.
Right.
And so we can help you with that as well, help you get more traffic, help you convert leads into sales, and discuss various ways to make it, a more effective website.
Tell you what, you guys, they're amazing. Their work is incredible, and it's all local. So if you have any questions, make sure you get in touch with Kristy Lee, and the best way is how?
My website is klcreativedesign.com.
All right, you guys, check it out. We'll be right back with more Summit Sunrise.